Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily and quickly create images using WhatsApp. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is click the link I'll leave in the description or in a pinned comment. We'll be using Microsoft's AI Copilot integrated directly into WhatsApp. Once you click the link, it will take you to this official Microsoft chat where you'll see the blue check mark. Now, we need to type a prompt to see what kind of image the AI creates for us. I'm going to write something simple and quick. I'll send the prompt and wait to see the result. You can see the image is being generated. Let's wait for it to finish. And here's the result. It's a picture of a happy kid in a gamer room. In fact, it even added more kids, which looks great. The quality is impressive, especially considering it was generated directly through WhatsApp. Let's go back and try another one. I'll ask for a paradisiacal landscape. Great, it created the image and I'll download it to take a look. Here it is. As you can see, creating images with Microsoft Copilot on WhatsApp is super easy and fast. One important thing, make sure to save this contact for easy access. Click the three dots, then Add Contact, create a new contact, and name it Microsoft Copilot. Click Save, and now you'll have this chat ready for whenever you want to use it. And that's it. Now you know how to create images using Microsoft Copilot on WhatsApp.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.